Hello everyone. Well, today we're going to continue our grammar lesson, singular and plural nouns. Today we will be dealing with nouns ending with Y or F or FE. So please prepare your grammar booklet and follow with me. Nouns ending with Y forms plurals in two ways. This we talked about it in the previous session. We said that if a noun ends with a consonant plus Y, we change the Y into I, then we add ES. For example, family. Family ends with Y, preceded by a consonant, so we have to cross out the Y, then add IES. Body. Body ends with Y, preceded by a consonant, so we have to cross out the Y, then add IES. The second one, if a noun ends with a vowel plus Y, we only add S. As you see in boy, boys, key, keys. Both end with Y preceded by a vowel, so we only added S. Now let's move to words that end with F and FE. If a noun ends with F or FE, we have to change them into VES. Examples: loaf, it ends with F. So we have to cross out the F and add VES. Loaves. Knife, knives. Wife, wives. Leaf, leaves. Notice here that all of the following nouns end with F or FE, so we crossed out the F and the FE and we changed them into VES. Let's have some exercises now. It's grammar booklet page 23. So are you ready to start our work? Speak up. What's the plural form of each noun? Vowel letters are A, E, I, O, and U. Remember, words that end with Y preceded by a vowel, we keep the Y. Words or nouns that end with Y preceded by a consonant, we cross out the Y, then add IES. Berry. Berry ends with Y preceded by a consonant, so we have to cross out the Y, then add IES. Holiday. Y preceded by a vowel, so we have to, yes, keep the Y. Leaf ends with F. What to do? Great job. Change the F into VES. Boy, Y preceded by a vowel, so only S is added. Pony, Y preceded by a consonant. Remove the Y, then add IES. Party ends with Y preceded by a consonant. Also, cross out the Y, then add IES. Lady, ladies, cross out the Y, add IES. Donkey, Y preceded by a vowel, so only S is added. Puppy, Y preceded by a consonant, IES is added. Knife ends with FE, so we have to cross out the FE and add VES. Hobby ends with Y preceded by a consonant, so IES is added. Key ends by Y preceded by a consonant. Yes, only S is added. Life ends with FE. VES instead of FE. Bunny, bunnies, because it's Y preceded by a consonant. Firefly, fireflies, and ray, rays. Only S is added here. So let's now move to page 24. Write the plural form of the noun in brackets to complete each sentence. People are finding to save energy. Way or ways? Ways. What to add? S or IES? Yes, only S is added because there's a vowel before the Y. Some books were put on the shelf. Shelf ends with F. So we remove the F and add VES. In some, workers travel by boat. City ends with Y, preceded by a consonant, so we cross out the Y and add IES. We save gas by taking buses or to work. Subway. It's S way up, only S is added. Many help by turning off air conditioners. Company. Company ends with Y, preceded by a consonant, so IES is added instead of Y. The thief were followed by many policemen. Thief ends with F, so VES is added. How can all family in your town help? Family ends with Y, preceded by a consonant, so instead of Y, we put IES. All boy and girl can turn off extra lights. Boys, yes, only S. People can make sure that the chimney are working properly. Chimney ends with Y preceded by a vowel, so only S is added. Let's move together to exercise 2. This speech has 6 incorrect plural nouns. Write them down correctly. We're going to read the speech first, pick up the wrong words, and then we're going to correct them together. We all worry about the energy wasted in our communities. Is there any mistake here? Yes, communities. It ends with Y, preceded by a vowel. So what do we have to add here? We will see. Supplies of oil and gas are being used up. Do we have any mistakes here? Yes, supplies. We must use energy from the sun and from the waterfalls in our many valleys. Valleys. Great job. We must turn the garbage into fuel for factories. Where's the mistake here? Factories. Bravo. Leave your cars at home, ladies and gentlemen. Where's the mistake? Ladies. Great job. And finally, find other ways to travel. Save energy now will make a better future for everyone. Where is the other mistake, the last mistake? Yes, it's ways. Okay, let's go back to correcting them. So communities ends with Y, preceded by a consonant, so IES is added instead of Y. Supplies also ends with Y, preceded by a consonant, so IES instead of S. Valleys ends with Y, preceded by a vowel, so only S is added. Great job. In factories ends with Y, preceded by a consonant, so IES is added. Ladies ends with Y, preceded by a consonant, so IES here. And finally, ways, Y, preceded by a vowel, so only S is added. Now, exercise 3 is your homework. You have to listen carefully to the video, repeat it more than one time until you understand it well, and then you have to do page 24, exercise 3 alone. This is all for today's session. See you in the next session. Enjoy your day and stay safe. Bye bye.